Okay guys, so today we're going to be taking a look at this, which is the Seiko Prospex SPB071J1 watch. Now this is a PADI co-branded watch with Seiko, PADI being the Professional Association of Dive Instructors. Now, for those of you that are au fait with this particular model, this is a reinterpretation of Seiko's famous 60s watch, the 62 MAS. And it's been a very, very popular watch, both on bracelet and strap, and there's a variety of iterations of this watch, but like I say, this is the PADI version. As you can see there, you do have a nice glossy bezel. Unfortunately, Seiko's marketing materials don't tell me whether this isn't just a enamel or whether it is actually a ceramic bezel. I'm probably going to go with the enamel bezel if I'm being honest. However, it is very nice. Like I say, I can't really tell the difference, but I'm presuming it's just enamelled. You can see there on the dial, it's got this really nice two-tone gradient, signifying shallow water all the way down to the depths, somewhat akin to what you'd find on the Rolex Deep Sea, actually. The dial does have a nice wave pattern on it, which looks a hell of a lot like the Omega Seamaster's wavy dial, if I'm being absolutely honest. Not many points of originality there, but it is a nice textured dial. It does add to the aesthetics. You can see there you have got applied metal hour markers and nicely deep filled with Lumabrite. Date window there at 3 o'clock. The nice white etching around, and it's quite visible. If you guys have seen any of my previous videos, real bugbear is being able to see the date on these types of watches, but never fear, you can see it quite clearly here. Okay, water resistance, 200 meters water resistance, and further security with this screw down crown. Unfortunately, it isn't signed with a Prospex X, which I'd like to see. The case is actually covered with Seiko's proprietary hardening coating, so small hairline scratches from sand and things like that, you should be covered, and like I say, it shouldn't really make too much of an impact on that stainless steel case. Bezel's got a nice action, very quiet, quite stiff, but it is aligned, which is rather unique for a Seiko, and the strap here, very, very nice, supple silicon strap. And you can see that it's got those sort of bends in it which help provide a little bit more length so it isn't sitting on your wrist too tight. Now the movement is the 6R15. It's a mid-tier movement from Seiko with a 50-hour power reserve. There have been a few versions of the 6R15, but I'm led to believe that this is the latest version. Like I say, 50-hour power reserve and there or thereabouts 25 to 15 seconds per day accuracy. Dimensions of the watch, you're looking at 42.6 mils across the way, which is quite nice for a dive watch, and 13.8 mils thick. Now that crystal there is sapphire, and it is domed, and it does have an anti-reflective coating on the inner side. Very nice watch overall. Like I say, I'm a big fan of these types of watches from Seiko, these sort of retro style releases, but very good value. And like I say, if you are a diver and you want something that's a little bit dressier, then this is certainly a watch that you should be taking a look at. Anyway guys, I wish you all the best, Happy New Year, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care.